Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to use Porda AI on your computer and smartphone. First of all, let me give you an overview about Porda AI. Porda is Bengali word means hijab. In Islam, Porda is fundamental obligation for both men and women. It is not just about wearing a specific clothing, but also about guarding our gaze. Allah says, "Tell the believing man to lower their gaze." Also Rasul ﷺ emphasized this. He said, "Casting eye is poisonous arrow among the arrows of shaitan." But unfortunately, when we browse internet, we often forget this, even though we know non-mahram content can appear anytime. Also, many good Muslims still face this problem, and actually it is hard to avoid internet. So Porda solves the problem. It has two versions. One is computer app, it works directly on screen, and another is browser extension, it also works on a smartphone. Now let's see how to install it in your computer. You will need Windows 10 or 11. After downloading the Porda AI from the given link, just click to open it. After opening it, you can also find it in system tray for easy access. Just select GPU if you have Intel GPU, or select CPU. I'm selecting GPU and change the settings. Just click OK and finally click apply to apply the settings and finally OK. And now you see it is detecting. To deactivate or activate, you can use shortcut key. Default is F2. You can also change it. Also you can activate deactivate from system tray. To change anything, go to the settings. Now change the settings, click apply to apply it. Make sure you checked auto startup when booting for auto startupping the app and click save. If you want to change, there are all essential settings you can find here. Maybe I'll create another video for these settings. For browser extension, you will need Chrome or Brave browser. To use this extension, please read the overview. Here you can find all details about the extension. After downloading the extension, pin it, click the extension and change the settings and click save.
صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
To use Porda AI on your phone, you need to install Kiwi browser. After installing it, open the Kiwi browser, go to the extensions and download Porda AI from here. You can also try light version of Porda AI for phone. After downloading, go to the Porda AI settings, click save and it's ready to detect. Soon, inshallah, I will publish a dedicated app version for phone. You can change the settings. If you get any problem, then close all tabs and reload the extension, then it will work again, and let me know. For the AI app, an extension have all the essential settings you need that I will show you later. It ensures 100% user privacy since they run entirely offline. It has auto sleep mode, auto active mode, and you can turn it on off anytime. You can even activate or deactivate it for specific apps and websites. Computer version works directly on screen on any app, even on your offline video player. By the grace of Allah, I have spent over a year building this, dedicating time and effort to research, data collection, annotation, model training, development, and many more. I tried as much as I could, and this is just beginning, so there are some limitations. I hope you'll overlook them and keep using it. I am working hard to improve, and inshallah all the issues will be fixed soon. This project is expensive and I have been covering the cost myself. For improving, please consider donating. Any support would be greatly appreciated. Let's work together to create better technology for our present and future ummah.